Hey treasure hunters, let's take a look at the back window of my truck. This is the cap. Looks like I need to get a new sticker there. And we kind of drift over this way. I kind of like that one. Now I've become a pretty good fan of these guys. I really like their handguns. There's one new sticker that I just got a package today. There you go. Live free or die, baby. Looks like I got a bubble in there. Get that taken care of. There it is. So when you roll up behind that Chevy, you know what's going on inside. Take care. Happy hunting. Thanks for watching.